This fried chicken has a crispy skin, firm and juicy inside, packed with flavor, and it is so good. Hey yummy, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are frying this crispy, flavorsome chicken. My name is Yummy Cash, and once again, you're welcome to this channel. So I have my chicken here and I'm using 4 laps of chicken. I wash and make sure it is very clean, and then I'll go ahead and brine the chicken. To brine it in water, you add your chicken and add salt to it. Cover it nicely and then put it in the refrigerator overnight. Now the next day, take it out from the refrigerator and in a bowl or in a cooking pan, add enough water. Let the water be enough to cover all the chicken you will be preparing, and then add in chopped garlic and ginger. Now the next thing to add in is soya sauce, and here you add in both light soya sauce and dark soya sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons each of it. Add it to your water, and then I'll add in my 5 Chinese spices. Now, to know how this is being done and for the ingredients, I have a link in the description. Kindly check it out. Now, the next thing I added was star of anise and pepper to taste. Add in salt to taste, and then add some sugar to it. Now all the measurements I used in this video is going to be listed in the description. Kindly check it out. I give it a quick stir and taste for the salt. Now when the salt is not enough, I add in more of the salt to it. Now don't be afraid to add in enough salt. Transfer this liquid to the fire. Add in some bay leaves and allow this to boil. Now you see all these ingredients gives a very nice flavor. Now add in your chicken and allow it to cook. Make sure all the chicken gets dipped inside the boiling mixture. Leave it on fire to be completely cooked, and then start taking them out from the water. Hi yummy, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's roll and learn new recipes each and every blessed day. Now after bringing them out, let it rest for some time for it to be dry, and then in a hot oil start frying your chicken. Fry till it is golden brown and crispy outside. Make sure to fry it very well to be completely cooked. You see how beautiful the chicken has turned out to be. Yes, and it is so flavorsome. It tastes so good. Has so juiciness inside and crispy outside, very tender, and I mean very packed with flavor because of the soya sauce, the pepper, and the 5 Chinese spices. Thank you yummy for watching this video. Always remember to do everything in love. See you in my next video. Don't forget to watch the 5 Chinese spices recipe down below. Cheers.